Jonathan Engineered Solutions is the premier provider of COTS and Modified COTS trays, shelves, cable management, integrated kitting, and related sheet metal fabrication for defense and commercial applications. Our trays and shelves come standard in 1U and 2U configurations, but we're capable of more complex designs that access many functional features from our catalog. We take your required inputs to develop a custom kit specific to your needs, equipped with the unique part number for quick reference and replacement. Kits include slides that are chosen by application and can be outfitted with endless modifications for certain engagement and function. Cable managers are useful to turn harmful nests of cable into an orderly assembly that never interferes with the task at hand. We use familiar materials such as aluminum, carbon steel, and stainless steel to deliver the best performance for every application. Our aluminum is clear anodized to meet mil spec Mil A 8625. Our steel is finished with a commercial zinc, and our stainless steel is passivated and RoHS compliant. Contact Jonathan Engineered Solutions to learn more about our rapidly expanding capabilities and the many ways that we can be of service.